Greetings, greetings, greetings. I wonder if you didn't know, say, I know the goody people where think say they never do nothing wrong yet, where Jesus come for. Are the wrong doer them? Jesus did come here for. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, go and go do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 9 from verse 9 to verse 13. When Jesus left there, so, he see one man when named Matthew sit down at the stall which part people collect tax. Follow me, he said to Matthew. And Matthew get up and follow Jesus. After that, Jesus gone yam a Matthew yard. And one whole heap of tax collector and people were do wrong. They come sit down and yam with him and his special follower them. When the Pharisee people them see this here, them turn to him special follower them and say, what make on a teacher yam with tax collector and wrongdoer? When Jesus hear what they say, him say, people were no sick, no need no doctor. Only sick people need doctor. Go and go find out what this mean. I want people be good and kind to people. No for them come bone sacrifice, gimme. Cause many ain't come here to tell people we do right, for turn away from them wrong. A people we do wrong, me come here for. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.